Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, we are back with makeup tutorials. I really hope you guys enjoy the start of something new. I'm so excited to finally be filming these again for you guys, as well as starting up taking clients again. I know that I had mentioned to you guys a while back that I was gonna do that, but life gets in the way and I unfortunately stopped. But here we go. To start off, I'm going to start using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade to fill in my brows. And I'm also going to use the MAC Painterly Paint Pot to carve them out, as well as use as my eyeshadow base, just to make sure that I have something nice for the eyeshadows to grip onto. For my eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Momentum. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid, all over my crease, basically everywhere. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Utopia, and I'm going to add that into my upper crease area. I like to think that you have like 3 areas of your crease. So you have like your highlight, your brow bone area, the upper crease area, which is where I'm applying the eyeshadow at right now. And then I'm going to go in with Karma, which is this darker shade. It's kind of similar to the one that I just put down, but this one I'm going to put it a little bit underneath Utopia, and I'm going to blend that out really well just to make sure that you don't have any harsh lines anywhere. The next shade that I'm going to go in with is called Karma, and I'm going to apply that into my outer corner. So this is where I'm going to start creating depth. You don't want, I mean you can if you want to, but you don't want to make everything look bland. So I'm going to use this shadow to create a little bit of depth, as well as blending that into my crease where I've put down, what was the shade called? Utopia. Then with my finger, I'm going to go in with Cosmic, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Now, if you guys can see, I do have a very smaller eyelid, so I'm going to drag that up with my finger a little bit above the crease. You can see where like my natural crease is, and I'm gonna blend that out with a smaller, more defined brush just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my edges just because I don't want it to look messy. And then I'm going to go back in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm going to do my lower lash line. So for this, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade first, which I believe was Utopia. And I'm going to drag that down as far as I can. And then I'm going to go in with the darker shade, which is Karma, and I'm going to apply that closer to my lash line. Again, just giving myself that gradient effect just to make sure that everything is blended out. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Rich Brown eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. Not my eyelid, my lash line. And I'm going to try my best to do this without tugging at my eye because, you know, I just turned 30. I do not want to create those creases or wrinkles or anything like that. But I naturally have like a looser lid. I don't know if that makes sense, but I do. I usually have to tug at them. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to add a little bit of mascara just to prep for my falsies. I believe the mascara that I'm using is one from Fenty Beauty, but I have to tell you guys that I ruined my natural lashes using lash extensions. So I'm gonna take a break from that probably for a long while, and I'm going to just go back to strip lashes while I do my eyeshadow, because I've noticed whenever I had the lash extensions on, I could never do my eyeshadow. So I'm sort of jumping into like makeup all over again with you guys so we can learn as we go. For my base, I'm going to use this soft beige, what's this brand? I forgot what the brand is, but it's a very affordable, super affordable foundation that you can pick up at Walmart, Target, basically anywhere. And I had actually stopped using foundation. It has been years since I put foundation on my face. I do have a every day-to-day makeup look that I do, so if you guys are interested in that, I can show you all how I do that as well. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Frankie Rose concealer, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes and on my chin. So for my everyday to day makeup, I literally just use concealer, powder, blush and bronzer, and mascara and my brows, and that's literally it. So my face felt icky wearing foundation this day, but I really liked it. So here come all of these makeup tutorials. To set my face, I'm going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm going to apply that all over my face, and for my bronzer, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to stamp that on my face. I'm not going to drag it around just because I don't want to mess up my base. I feel like if you do what I'm doing right now, like dragging the brush back and forth, you move your foundation around, and I didn't want to do that. So stamping motions work best. For my blush, I'm going to use this Milani blush in the shade Rose Blush or something. It said there, I forgot what it was. For my highlight, I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight, and I'm going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones as well as the tip of my nose. And you just want to do that to accentuate the highest parts of your face. And then I'm eventually going to put that on my brow bone to use that as a highlight, and I felt like this was just the perfect shade. It kind of matched perfectly with the shade that I used on my eyelids as well, so I ended up loving it. And then for my lips, I'm using this Steve Laurent lip liner, not eyeliner, lip liner. I'm not sure what shade this is in, but you guys, I've been having an itch to like get my lips done. I know, it's crazy. Let me know if I should or if I shouldn't, or if you guys have. Let me know what the process was, how much you guys paid for it, if you guys think it's worth it. Give me your opinions on lip filler. Let me know if I'm gonna do a huge mistake or if I should just stay as is, because it's been something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I don't know if I should or not. But for my lips, I'm going to go in with this super nice glossy lip gloss, and I believe this is a Maybelline one. This is the only one that I have, but I definitely want to purchase more because I feel like the matte lips was so like 2000, and glossy lips are making a comeback. So I'm pretty sure that this is like a super natural shade. I'll leave it down in the description box, or you guys, I can let you guys know what it is. But that pretty much does it for this makeup look, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.